Okay, Language Explorer. So let's look at this other noun on Monday nouns. Issue. Issue. An important topic. So a conversation that is talked about or debated. People sharing their opinions and thoughts. A debate. Arguing. So something that is affecting a lot of people. A lot of people. This issue. This is a big issue for the community. This is a big issue for the community. Yes, that issue is affecting a lot of people. Yeah, a lot of people. Yes. There is a growing issue with the machine. The machine has issues. There's an issue here, issue there, a problem here, a problem there. There is an issue here and an issue there with the machine. There are more and more issues all the time. Yes. We have a lot of issues and we will solve them one by one. Yes. I have a plan to solve these issues. Yes. We need to solve, we need to sort out these issues today. Today. Otherwise they'll get worse and worse. They will get worse and worse. Yes. So issue is one, singular, and issues, 2 plus, plural. One issue, 2 issues, 3 issues, 4 issues, too many issues. Too many issues, too many problems. Yeah. Too many issues, too many problems. Yes. So, she used to have a lot of issues. A lot of issues with S there. A lot of issues. But they were resolved. Those issues were all resolved last year. Last year. Those issues were sorted last year. We fixed that issue yesterday. We fixed that issue yesterday. Yesterday. Not a problem anymore. Yeah. Do you think the issue with the bricks is getting worse? I suspect that this issue is slowly improving day by day. Yeah, it's getting better day by day. Things are improving. Yeah, improving day by day, little by little, day by day. That we are sorting that. We're sorting this issue. We are sorting this issue day by day. It will be resolved. We will find an answer. So, I have an issue with all my lessons. Yes, I have so many to record, but I am recording more. I'm recording some every day. So I am slowly sorting out the issue. Slowly sorting out the issue. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. If you're not careful, then that issue could get worse. Yes. You need to plan ahead. You need to plan ahead to prevent that from becoming an issue. Yeah, think and plan ahead, and that way you avoid the issue. You never have to deal with it. Instead, you avoid it. Yes. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that? So issue, an important topic that is talked about or debated between people. The council has to debate this issue. The council is debating that issue with the parking or with the building, with anything. Yeah, they're talking about it. Yes. Or something that's affecting a lot of people, or maybe just one person. It is affecting me. I've got an issue. I've got a problem with this. I've got a problem with that. It's affecting me. It's affecting you. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So issue. Now, can you write a sentence with issue? Can you make a sentence? Comment below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.